Hello, dear awesome people out there. I welcome you all to my channel. I'm your Chris again. This video gonna be very special for me as I always wanted to make this. So today I'm going to show you what is my daily reading routine, and simultaneously I'm going to share my experience while reading the book. So yeah, let's get started. So basically, I read 3 to 4 books in a day, and 1:1:1:1 ratio. I mean, 50 pages each roughly. This is my minimum limit, but sometimes I may not reach the threshold due to some factors. So let's hope today I'll reach them. I'm starting my day with What Young India Wants by Chetan Bhagat. So this is my first ever non-fiction book. I'm not at all fond of non-fiction actually. I really want to make a habit of reading non-fiction. So I'm starting with this simplest one. I hope I like it. So it's been already 2 hours I started reading What Young India Wants by Chetan Bhagat. I'm liking it. I think I'm gonna pick more non-fiction books. So I've already read Chetan Bhagat's Two States and Half Girlfriend. I really loved Half Girlfriend, but not the Two States. But initially, I'm liking What Young India Wants. So let's see forward. So I have took a small break after reading What Young India Wants. Now I'm continue to read The Fault in Our Stars by John Green. Many of my friends suggested this book to read. It's been always nice reading some intensive love stories. So let's start. So it's been more than 1 hour and I'm already 30 pages in. The thing is, I'm a slow reader. So yeah, I'm loving it. It's one of the adult love story. Uh, People more than 18 years can read this. I highly suggest that. So yeah. Oh, if you haven't seen the bookmark tutorial in my YouTube channel, make sure you go and check it out. So I'm starving, I'm going for the lunch, and I continue to read the another book after my lunch. So I'm done with my lunch now. It is being most sunny day today. I'm on my terrace holding this third girl book by Agatha Christie. I already completed reading this book. This is my second read, and you can assume how I love this. So yeah, I think I'm going to pick more of Agatha Christie after reading Third Girl. So yeah, let's read. I really fall for the writing style of Agatha, mainly portraying the friendship between Mr. Pirate and Mrs. Oliver. Such funny conversations they have. One must read them. So now I'm going to read Looking for the Rainbow by Ruskin Bond. So it's a short story collection by Ruskin Bond, especially for children. As I'm making my neighbor children to read them, I just want to go through. I hope it will be fun. So presently I'm in love with this book. It's so adorable. It is the collection of childhood experiences of Ruskin Bond with his father, and the illustrations are so amazing. I think the Ruskin Bond team has done this. One must see. I highly suggest children in your home to read this. It's so adorable. Looking for the Rainbow by Ruskin Bond. Just look at this adorable illustrations. These are connected with the experiences of Ruskin Bond in his childhood. As you read the book, you'll get connected with the illustrations. Wow. Don't know how I really pass the time with reading these adorable books. It's already 6 in the evening and I would like to End my day with reading Gerald Uret's Fillets of Place along with my green tea. I'm liking this book. The situations in this are getting worse and creepy and funny. So I'm already about 40 pages in and I'm enjoying this book. The writing style of Gerald Durrell is somewhat complex, but still, if you put efforts to understand, you'll really love it. So this is how I divide my timings and the pages of book to read several books in a single day. Hope you all liked this video. If you really liked, give a huge thumbs up and comment and let me know your opinions and share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.